One of the greatest benefits of the circulating heat of convection is the ability to cook multiple foods in one time, and when it comes to preparing a simple, healthy family dinner, that can be a lifesaver. Dinner cooking itself in the oven and you not standing over a cooktop. What could be better? In this video, I'm going to outline the cooking plan for this quick everyday meal in the steam oven, but this recipe can also be prepared in the convection oven without steam with really great results. Now, why do we need a cooking plan, you might ask? Well, foods may have different cooking times, and you may also want to tweak the temperature to get the precise results you want. This is a simple meal, but using a combination of steam and convection results in fabulous flavor and texture, which immediately elevates the food. For added flavor and pizzazz, I marinated the chicken breast for a few hours prior to cooking. So, here is the cooking plan I used with the modes, temperature, and timing. Select the combination convection steam mode with moderate humidity if your oven has that option for variable humidity settings, and set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The chicken will go in first and cook for 10 minutes at a high temperature. When the timer elapses, reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees, add the chopped sweet potatoes and tossed with a little bit of oil and seasoning, and reset the timer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the chicken will be done, so remove it from the oven and set it aside to rest. Now add the baby broccoli to the oven and cook for approximately 6 to 8 minutes. When the sweet potatoes and broccoli come out of the oven, the entire meal will be ready to serve and everything will be perfectly cooked. There are also some additional details that you should take into account when preparing chicken. Sometimes if the chicken breasts are too large, flattening the thicker part of them will ensure that you'll have even cooking. Also, it's best not to cut the sweet potatoes into too smaller chunks, otherwise they'll just shrivel and overcook. As I've said more than once, it's really important to pay attention and learn about the tools you are cooking with. That's how we learn to achieve great results. And we want those results to be truly amazing, even with a quick, simple family meal. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.